Hi guys, welcome back to Sanju's Robotics Studio. This is the fourth part of the Raspberry Pi series, a beginner tutorial. In this video we will make our own Amazon Alexa Echo Dot using Raspberry Pi. With no further ado, let's get started. For this project we need a SD card with Raspberry Pi OS, a Raspberry Pi, and USB microphone or an USB webcam with mic and a speaker. For the tutorial of the installation of Raspberry Pi OS in the SD card, click on the card in the top right corner. Now I will open the VNC server and access the Raspberry Pi. For configuring the VNC server, click on the card in the top right corner. Now I will click on Alexa and log on to my Pi. Now we have logged on to our Pi. Now go back to your host computer and open any browser and go to the Amazon Alexa developers page. Click on Sign In and sign in to your Amazon account. So under the title Amazon Alexa, there are two options. Select Alexa Voice Service. So in this page, select Manage Your Products. And click on Add a New Product. Now enter your product name and product ID. I will name it as Javas. And click the radio button for product type as device with Alexa built in. And follow the further steps carefully. Here you need to add a security profile. Follow the steps as I do for my Pi. Now our product has been created. Now on the homepage, click on the three dots and click on Edit. Now click on the Security Profile tab. Here you need to copy your client ID and client secret. Now enter the allowed origins and allowed return URLs as I do. Now the configuration of the Amazon developer's account is over. Now go back to the VNC viewer. Now open the terminal and make sure that Git is installed. Now clone the directory into your root folder. Code for the terminal is given in the description. Once the cloning is complete, I will close this window. So the rest will be covered in the part 5 of the Raspberry Pi series. Until then, keep experimenting.